Are you ready to unlock the potential of ChatGPT in your organization? In this workshop, we'll explore the groundbreaking world of ChatGPT and other AI-based systems. You will learn about advanced language models, the use of chatbots, and the mastery of prompt engineering. Discover how AI can convert text into images, audio, video, and more. We'll also look at the ethical concerns around AI and explore its strengths and weaknesses. Additionally, you will learn about the future of AI and become a part of its ever-evolving landscape. I'm Dr. Agha Ali Raza. I'm an assistant professor of computer science at LUMS and the founding director of the Center of Speech and Language Technologies. My research focuses on machine learning, artificial intelligence, and generative AI. This workshop is intended for participants from all walks of life, such as educators, business owners, human resource managers, financial professionals, marketing experts, creative writers, scientists, and anyone who wants to be at the forefront of AI-driven enhancements. Explore the limitless possibilities of ChatGPT for your profession. Register now.